start on the price.
Well, what year is this tractor?
Huh?
What year?
1950.
1950. How many tractors you have here?
200.
Wow, you have a lot of good stories here.
Yeah.
What's your telephone number here?
810-869-3897.
And you have a lot here, not just this, but you have a lot.
I got every brand and model I made in 1940 and 1950s.
Very interesting. What's your name?
Dave Steiner.
Steiner. Nice.
Then we got 5 of these John Deere 4020s. They're 92 horsepower.
Wow, what a nice beauty.
5 bottom plow.
Beauty.
I'll show you the cheapest running tractor I have. Oh, you need to take a picture of this one. Take a picture of the price. That's a beautiful little Farmall A, like an apple.
Wow, it's a nice one.
There's his big brother, a C.
Yeah.
Same motor.
Very interesting.
Here's a Farmall A. I drove it in here this spring for $875.
$875. That's a very good deal.
Complete running tractor.
That's the nice one.
The cheapest good running tractor in the yard. But that has no hydraulics on it. See, it's got electric start. What? I don't know what you're doing.
We do what we have to do. We are together here.
There's your
rabbits, huh?
You go rabbit hunting here.
Oh, it's nice soup. You can make a nice soup.
Most of these parts on here we manufactured brand new. The fenders, the hood, the manifold, the carburetor.
You make it everything, huh?
Well, not everything. We make 6,000 brand new aftermarket parts. And since 1939 and the American-built farm tractors, there's 23 million parts. But we make the very first parts that break, fall off, or wear out. And then we